Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. The dermatologist was shocked. 5 reasons to never squeeze acne, important to know. The first thing that comes to mind when waking up in the morning we see a pimple on our faces to squeeze it out and that's it. But in fact, dermatologists strongly advise against trying to solve this problem in this way, writes Health Shots. Acne is the result of clogging of pores with sebum and dirt. They serve as a breeding ground for bacteria that cause inflammation under the hair follicles. As a result, the skin around the pore becomes red and sensitive, and a pus-filled tip appears on the surface. Cosmetologist and dermatosurgeon Dr. Rink Kapoor named 5 reasons to refrain from squeezing acne. You increase inflammation. By squeezing the skin around the pimple, you can push dirt, oil, and bacteria even deeper under your skin. In addition, bacteria from your fingers can also get there, causing new acne to appear. You increase the space for bacteria to grow. Even when it seems to you that you have completely cleared time from manure, some of it may remain there. It will serve as a breeding ground for bacteria, increase inflammation and cause new acne to develop. You can cause scarring. Squeezing a pimple prematurely can make it difficult to heal. This leads to tissue damage and scarring. The more you press on the skin, the greater the risk of scarring in this place. You may experience hyperpigmentation. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is one of the most common side effects of acne popping. It may take a certain time for pigmentation to even out, weeks, months, and in some cases even years. As a result, you increase the number of acne. Paradoxically, this is true. The genius you squeeze out of your pimple is on your healthy skin. Bacteria, grease and dirt clog new, clean pores, causing new acne to appear. According to Dr. Kapoor, the pimple will disappear on its own in 3-7 days. It is very important to let it heal completely. But if you still squeezed it out, you need to wash with antibacterial soap and apply a moisturizer recommended by a dermatologist to the site of inflammation. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.